By the end of this video, you will say where you are, what are you doing, what is around you in English. Welcome to day 3 of our English challenge. Yesterday, we spoke about our morning routine. Today, we will speak about our house. Today's goal not only room names but actions plus places plus sentences. After this video, you will speak about your home in English. Let's start. Part 1 Vocabulary. Where? First, important places and things. Repeat after me. Living room, couch, mancham, TV, coffee table, rug. This is my couch. Your turn. Bedroom, bed, closet, pillows, lamp. This is my bed. Your turn. Bathroom, shower, mirror, towel, sink. This is my mirror. Your turn. General, everywhere. Window, door, floor, wall. This is my window. Your turn. Easy practices. Couch, bed, mirror, window, door, TV. Repeat 2 times. Part 2 Common verbs. Now learn actions. What you do at home. Relax or sit. Sit on the couch. I relax. Repeat. Clean or tidy. I clean my room. I tidy my room. Repeat. Sleep or wake up. I sleep on my bed. I wake up early. Repeat. Open or close. Open the window. Close the door. Repeat. Fast drill. Sit, clean, sleep, wake, open, close. Repeat 2 times. Part 3 Practical sentences. Real life. Now make a real sentences, not words, full sentences. Example Say slowly. Where are my keys? The light is on. The light is off. I am in the living room. Can you close the door? Repeat after me. More examples. I am sitting on the couch. I am cleaning my room. I am in my bedroom. I open the window. Repeat. Practice time. Now you say, I am dash, dash, in dash. Good. Part 4 walk. Active learning. Follow me. Living room. I am sitting on the couch. Bedroom. I sleep on my bed. Bathroom. I look in the mirror. Kitchen. I clean the sink. Door. I close the door. Mini game. I add, you speak. Part 4 Homework plus motivation. You did very well today. Now you can talk about your house, home. Tonight, look around your house and say, I am in the bedroom. I sit on the couch. The light is on. Close the door. Practice 5 minutes daily. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, day 4. Food and kitchen. We learn English for eating and cooking. Like, subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.